Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Am I clearly audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, another request to everyone, please try to be in network area and try to be in noise free area. That's why our interaction can be go on a fruitful manner. Okay. So, first of all, Dilesh, I
Yes, sir.
want to ask a question today.
Yes, sir.
You have said you are from Odia,
No, sir. Maths, sir.
math. Okay. Dilesh,
Yes,
can you
sir.
answer me? Basically, it has been seen that
Yes, sir.
some of the students, those who
Yes.
are entering into secondary schools,
Yes, sir.
they are finding problems
Yes, sir.
in the addition and subtraction of integers.
Yes, sir.
Basically, integers. I am not saying about natural numbers. I am saying about integers.
Yes, sir.
So, at that case, what will be your approach on those particular students,
Yes,
those
sir.
who are weak in that particular area?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Uh,
first of all,
okay,
I
okay,
I
Dilesh, sir. Okay,
first of all I
Ranjan,
would. Yes, sir.
just 1 minute, Dilesh, sir. Ranjan, you should listen that question carefully. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dilesh,
First,
sir.
first of all, sir, I would like to make the concept clear to everyone, and then I will give some questions.
No. My concept was you would like to give the concept to everyone. I am not saying that everyone is being weak in
Oh,
the integer part. I am saying a few students.
few
Some of the
students.
few students are facing problems in addition and subtraction of integers.
Sir, first of all, I would like to show him what is actually in reality. What is reality? That means I like to relate with the reality, sir, real life, so they can understand better than the number.
Okay, Dilesh, sir. Anyone, any other students from math? Ranjan. Ranjan,
Yes, sir.
have you heard my question?
Yes, sir.
So, can you answer what will be your approach whenever some of the few students are facing problems in addition and subtraction of integers while they are in class 9 or in secondary schools?
Yes, sir. Sir, in a class, first I give a table preparing from 0 to 1, some addition, number, counting number, and some before the negative numbers, like Ludo, the numbers, and if they get two, I game with puzzle with like games, given them two dices. One is red dices and one is blue dices. If red comes, then back before to the negative side, and if comes blue side, then they go towards the positive end and towards the positive 100. And if for this they calculate the positive side and negative side. If red come, then go before the side towards negative, and if blue comes, then come toward the positive side like 200. If one first time first time approach will be 5, so they go through right side and 0 1 2 3 4 5. If then next come red dices 3, then they go back before left side 5 4 3 to 2. So he minus 5 minus 3 equal to 2. That their calculation will be more effective in this game or in this method.
Okay, thank you, Ranjan.
Basically, I
sir.
want to introduce the puzzling game.
Okay, thank you, Ranjan. Very good. Any other from mathematics?
Hello,
Sorry?
sir.
Yes, Harmishta.
So, first, I will make him understand difference between the signs,
Yes.
minus and plus sign.
Yes.
After giving him clarity, I will give him some tips. Like if the sign is same, you have to add. if the sign is different, you have to minus from the larger number to smaller, and the sign will be of the larger number.
Okay, sir, mister. That is a traditional method, and we are all, and I am that sure that the students who are lack in that particular area, they have already shown in the previous classes. I am not saying about some traditional method. You should have to say some innovative method,
No,
like Ramzan
the,
has said about
after the
the.
clarity, I will give him some problems like in the interesting way. In the
What,
paper,
what will be that interesting way?
like in the some colorful paper,
Yes,
I can
yes,
write
very
some
good.
numbers.
Very
Numbers
good.
that can be some addition result may be same, but the numbers can be different.
Very good.
So he or she will have to put the numbers in that particular field. So
Right.
thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, sir, mister. Very good. The whatever you have said about that colorful chart paper, that will be best suited method. And whatever Ramzan has said about the dice game, that will be very much suitable for them.
Yes, sir.
So try to Ramzan specify your answer. You are just making it lengthy. Okay, simply, in simply, you can say that. So basically, if I will find some of the few students are facing problems in addition and subtraction of integers, first of all, I want to identify those students. I can make them understand in the general class. Otherwise, I can go for remedial teaching also. In the extra class or in the remedial teaching class, I can use some innovative methods like colorful chart paper, where different color will displaying the different numbers, and the positive numbers has a different color, negative numbers has a different color. When the colorful game or colorful paper will be given to them, and I will say simply, suppose R 5 and minus 3. Simply, they will put 5 positive, 5 blue color, and another 3 green color, and then we'll subtract from blue to green, they will find 2. You should have say your answer very specific and very fluent. Any other students from mathematics? No one? Okay. Another question I want to ask. Chitranjan. Yes. Have you heard my question? Any other information or any other new innovative idea you want to add it?
Yes, sir. Your answer is the right one.
Okay. Adhyasa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One question for you, Adhyasa. Have you heard about micro teaching? Have you heard
Yes,
about
sir.
micro teaching skill? Have you got
Yes, sir.
a micro teaching practice whenever you are taking your B.Ed training program?
No, sir. Never got the chance.
Then I think everyone should have gone through micro teaching. That is a mandatory process during teaching training process. Okay. So do you know what is micro teaching? How it is helpful for the development of teaching skill of a teacher?
No, sir. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay. Pradeep, have raised your hand. If you want to answer, can.
My teaching a program.
You are not clearly audible to us.
Educational
Pradeep.
training
Hello,
the
Pradeep.
teachers.
Hello, Pradeep.
Hello.
I think you might have some network issue. You
Hello.
are not clearly audible to all. Try to be in network area. Okay, Rosalind.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard that question that I had asked Adhyasa?
Yes, sir.
So have you gone over micro teaching skills during your B.Ed program?
Yes, sir. I have done this in my internship period.
How this skill is helpful for you?
Actually, sir, micro teaching is a process which measure one skill at one time. So
Very good.
it is done through that small duration, within the small duration, and a small topic will be considered, and the class size will be small, so that it
Very
will
good.
be helpful for a teacher to teach their students effectively, so that they can go through every students, and they can give
Can you
proper
name
time.
some of those? Can you name some of those particular skills that are being tested through micro teaching? Some of the particular skills, any particular skills that you can say? I think NCERT has order about so many skills in micro teaching. Any few of them? Can you name it?
So, like for example, reading or writing.
Reading and writing skill of whom?
So, of students in a particular like
No, I don't think so. Micro teaching is not made for students. Okay. Okay, let other two answer. Then I will give you an answer.
okay, sir.
Okay, Asif, can you answer it?
Yes, sir. सर आमको तो सुजोग मिलनी माइक्रो टीचिंग करया पई किंतु मु जानि छि माइक्रो टीचिंग कोन सर सेटा होची गोटे हम जते पढेला बेले तार गोटे रेकॉर्डिंग रखा जाय सेटा समस्त आगे प्ले करा जाय हमर पियर्स माने थिबे स्टूडेंट माने थिबे ताकू देखिला परे हमर कोन टेक्निक अप्लाई करथिले भलो होइतांदा सेटा हम पियर माने उठा हम बुझिबा आउ अन्य क्षेत्र में स्टूडेंट माने भी सेठी मत देई परिबे এই ক্ষেত্রে এটা দিলে ভালোই করতাম
अच्छा ठीक है लक्ष्मी पटेल लिपिश्री बारी
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग have you heard my question?
Yes, sir.
So you are from which background?
English, sir.
English. So can you say how micro teaching is helpful for you as a teacher?
Yes, sir. There are some skills of micro teaching which we learn from there. The skills are introduction skill.
Very good.
How to put questions.
Very good.
Skills of explanation.
Very good.
Then blackboard skill also.
Very good. Very good.
And we take feedback from the peers as well as from the students.
Okay. Okay, student. Yes, Pragya, you want to say something?
Micro teaching is meant for only teacher training program.
Yes. Then?
It is performed with a reduced number of students, reduced period of time, with an emphasis on a narrow and specific teaching skill.
Very good, girl. So, anyone saying that anyone has recently requested me to answer?
Sir, mo Sasmita.
हाँ, Sasmita को.
सर माइक्रो टीचिंग साधारणतः शिक्षक प्रशिक्षण समय रे करा जाय थाए जोथि कि शिक्षक प्रशिक्षक माने साधारणतः प्रशिक्षार्थी मानन को किछि स्वतंत्र अल्प समय भितरे किछि निर्दिष्ट दक्षता हासिल पई से मानन को दर्शाई थांती जेपरि कि आमे पंचसोपान हमर 5E मॉडल को नबा ସେମାନେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସମୟ ଭିତରେ ଯେମିତି ଏନଗେଜ କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ଶିକ୍ଷାର୍ଥୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ଏନଗେଜ କରିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ବିଷୟ ବୁଝେଇ ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସ୍ୱଳ୍ପ ସମୟ ଭିତରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ସୋପାନ କରାଇବାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଥାଏ, ଯାହା ଫଳରେ କି ସେମାନେ ଅଳ୍ପ ସମୟ ଭିତରେ ଶିକ୍ଷାର୍ଥୀକୁ ତାର ଇଭାଲୁଏସନ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି, ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ସେମାନଙ୍କର
Okay,
ଦକ୍ଷତା
ठीक
ପରିଦର୍ଶନ କରି
ठीक अच्छे, थैंक यू। सिंपली पिला माने जहाँ सस्मिता कहले आमे जानिचे we know that micro teaching is a process for the development of teachers teaching skill. Is it clear? During the teaching training program, before going to internship or during the practice teaching, you have to go through micro teaching skills in your teacher training institutions. There, at a time, as Rosalind said, at a time, one skill is being observed of a student, like how you are writing the instructional objectives, how you are organizing the content, how you are introducing a lesson, how you are structuring classroom questions, how you are questioning to the students, how you are explaining the topic, how you are illustrating the topic with proper examples, the skill of using teaching aids, the skill of used to pace the lesson, skill of prompting the people's participation, skill of using the blackboard, skill of giving assignments, skill of evaluating the students, skill of diagnosing the people's learning difficulties, skill of classroom management. There are several skills that can be done under micro teaching. So if a teacher is gone thoroughly through micro teaching, specifically these skills will be developed, and a teacher is more accountable if he or she has taken the micro teaching seriously. So it is only done during the B.Ed time. After that, you will never face such platform. So that was a quite effective skill management for the teacher to develop their accountability in teaching. Okay, Rosalind got my point?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ठीक. Another question I want to ask Pradeep, had I asked anything to you? Okay, Pratyush Kumar Sahu. Can you answer me a question, Pratyush? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pratyush, you are from which background?
Sir, TGT Science.
TGT Science. Okay, Pratyush. Can you answer a simple question of mine? As a teacher, how do you think the role of parent?
Yes, sir.
As a teacher, how do you think the role of parent in offering some of the voluntary service to the school? Which sort of voluntary service can be offered by a parent? Parents मान द्वारा आउ कौन स्कूल को साहाय्य करा जाय पारे एटा मो प्रश्न पिला.
Yes, sir. The parents should be supportive.
Okay. So particularly say some voluntary service, particular area I am asking. In which area parent can provide their voluntary service towards an educational institution?
Which area?
Okay, Rajashri, can you hear me? Hello, Rajashri. Okay. Avinash, have you heard my question?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer it?
Yes, sir. Sir, as you know, The
Yes.
community's role is very important in school life of the students.
Yes.
As parents, they can contribute their views in the parent-teacher meeting. They can also help the school in arranging some co-curricular or extracurricular activities, like in any sports program or science project which needs the community support. As like I am saying, in a bigger scale, when they are arranged in a bigger scale, they can help in that way. And they
Very
can
good.
also arrange some funds for the schools, like there are shortage of funds in some schools after the government fund also. They can also help in that way. And these are my views, sir.
Okay. Very good. So as we know that parents, any other students want to answer it? Who have not already answered any question? Lakshmi, you have not answered any question. Do you want to answer this question? Mr.
Sorry,
Rosalind,
sir.
I will ask you. Rajashri, do you want to answer this question? Sorry, Rajashri, your voice is not audible to us.
Their school and their children's school. They are help in financial manner and in supportive manner.
Okay, very good. Rosalind, you want to answer it?
Yes, sir. As we know that there is a parent teachers association PTA in every
Yes, yes.
school. In every month there is compulsory meeting will be conducted, because the role of parents plays an important role in the school basically in the arrangement of some co-curricular activities like annual functions and
Very
some
good.
sports program. The views of the parents matters the most, and also in infrastructural development,
Very good.
except government fund, there are some need of the financial that the parents can afford, and also some valuable suggestions should be given by the parents towards the development of the school, so that I think
Very,
parent
very good.
teachers. Yes, sir.
Very good answer. As you know, parents are the stakeholder of a school education system. They can offer their voluntary service, as already you have said all the important points. They can offer their voluntarily service in conducting the annual function, annual sports, or any cultural program like Saraswati Puja, Ganesh Puja. They can monitor the lunchroom or the MDM that's happening in a school. They can give voluntary funds to the development of school apart from the government aid. They can be a part of the school cultural authority program. School has a cultural association program, and if some of the parents belonging to some of the expert field, like some parents belongs to be a good dancer, good singer, good actor, they can also come and help the students in cultivating their interest in that particular co-curricular field. Okay, very good. I have not asked a single question. कहा तुम जमा question जमा और पता नहीं जमा भी है.
Yes, sir.
Chittaranjan, one question for you. How do you think the role of multimedia affecting the role of multimedia affecting the present pace of education? Do you think that multimedia is boosting the pace of education or
Yes, sir.
slowing down the pace of education?
Multimedia nowadays, multimedia is the key factor of education, because nowadays COVID pandemic affected us during this pandemic time. Internet class, ICT, ICT, internet class like Google Meet, Zoom, etc. are the multimedia who help us in many ways to provide education to the children.
Abhyasa, can you answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer this
Sir,
question?
yes, sir. Nowadays, that pandemic is going on, so the students have to depend on multimedia for their studies. So, this period is easier, like for their teaching, because teaching and also learning, because our technology has been improvised a lot, and India is also has been digitalized in uh, a very great manner. So there are so many apps through which the teachers are giving lessons, and also giving some demonstrations through those through those apps. So, and also the students can um, access some of the sites for their further studies, or for their further understanding. So yes, multimedia is helping the students a lot.
Very good. Avinash.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay, answer it.
Yes, sir. Sir, the role of the multimedia has both positive and negative impacts on the student's life, as it is also helping the teachers and students in the teaching process, as it helps the students to learn uh, more more easily the concepts, and as this method is more interesting than the chalk and blackboard method, which is used traditionally. But in the and also government also doing some things which are helpful for the students learning, like the education programs which are telecasted on television and radio in this pandemic. In the same time, multimedia also causing some harms, like the students times are wasted, and they are also they are also not utilizing their times properly. So the parents and teacher need to motivate them in the right way, so that the multimedia can be used more beneficially in the teaching process.
So you are saying about the guided use of multimedia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dileshwar. Dileshwar. If anybody is interested, you can raise your hand.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I will ask you, Sasmita. Wait for it. I will ask you, Samisha. Dileshwar, if you want to answer it.
Can you hear me?
Okay, Samisha.
Hello, sir.
Samisha. Yes.
With some pros and cons, multimedia plays a vital role in the education. With the help of multimedia, the imagination of the students can be developed. They can imagine real like images, like 3D figures, like solar structures. So multimedia plays an important role for the conceptual clarity and the longer retention. But the overuse of multimedia is bad. So I will go for the guided use of multimedia. So
Okay, very good. Rajeshri, can you answer this question? Hello? Rajeshri is not here. Okay.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Dileshwar. Now you are
Yes.
audible. Same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today we are connected because of the multimedia, sir.
Okay.
Multimedia
No,
has
I will not ask. This question will not be asked by you cannot answer in way with introducer Today we are connected via multimedia.
No, sir. I am just saying that today we are
Okay.
connected because of the multimedia. Both multimedia has both positive impact and negative impact on the student. Now you see
Just simply tell me 3 positive impacts and 3 negative impact of multimedia. Simply, just in one line.
First of all, I would like to dictate negative impact. Students are playing PUBG, sir.
Playing PUBG, okay. Playing mobile games.
Yes,
That's
sir.
right.
Watching unnecessary videos on multimedia, sir.
Watching unnecessary video. Next.
Yes, sir. And sir, unnecessarily there are many stuff.
No, there are. I'm not talking about many. Just you have said one good point. Playing mobile games,
Yes,
watching
sir.
unnecessary videos. Next.
I am just trying to retrieving, but that thing is not coming into my mind.
Okay, then what will be the positive impact? Any 2 points?
There are a number of good side. One is we are connected. The student can learn from their teacher through multimedia.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir. Then through multimedia you can get best teacher, sir.
Okay.
Qualified
Done.
teachers.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
This question I want to ask Pratyush. Just say me if you are supporting this, just answer this question by 3 points. If you are opposing this, then answer your justify your answer by 3 points. Pratyush.
Sir, positive impact or negative impact?
What are you thinking? That's my point.
Sir, multimedia has both positive as well as negative impact.
Just say me 2 points about the positive impact or negative impact.
Negative impact is sir, same thinking as previous one.
Okay. Rosalind, can you add any other point if you want to add?
Yes, sir. Actually, like classroom, nowadays multimedia plays a role of medium through which the teaching learning process occur. So it is the duty of the parents that at which time the classes will occur, they should aware of this, and they should prevent their students from recklessly use of mobile phone, so that the use of multimedia can give a positive impact on the children's.
Lipishri Varik?
Yes, sir.
Lipishri, can you answer me? How do you think the online class is more impactful, more attractive than offline class?
No,
or
sir.
both are same weightage? Or which
No,
one
sir.
you want to give more weightage?
I want to give more weightage to offline classes.
Then why? Just
As
answer me in 2 points.
teacher-student interaction goes on
Teacher-student interaction.
positive.
Next point.
Teacher can read the psychology of students when they are in front of him or her.
Observation. Okay, very good. Pradeep, same question for you. Any other point if you want to add, then you can. Pradeep.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible now.
Sir, through online teaching, students may develop their cognitive ability, but there is some lack of physical and social and moral developments.
Very good.
Through offline teaching, when they meet other students, play with them, and engage with them, collaborate with them, then they can develop all the aspects of their development.
Fantastic answer. Very good answer. In single line, you have answered all the aspects. Very good. This some question I want to ask Lakshmi. इसको आंसर करो.
Hello, sir.
हाँ. Do you think online class is
Sir.
effective, more effective
Subhaji,
than
sir.
offline class? Subhaji, go.
Sir, offline class more effective, sir.
Then
କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମେ ସିଧାସଳଖ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଏବଂ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନେ ସିଧାସଳଖ ସମ୍ପର୍କିତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ତାଙ୍କର ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି। ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନେ କ୍ଲାସରେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ
Yes,
ଶୁଭୁଛି
very
sir?
good. ଶୁଭୁଛି ତମ କଥା ଶୁଭୁଛି। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଏଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ପଚାରିବି ସସ୍ମିତାକୁ। ସସ୍ମିତା ଆନ୍ସର ଦବ ଏଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ର।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ପ୍ରଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ପଚାରିଛି କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନା ପଚାରିନି?
Yes, sir.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ପ୍ରଜ୍ଞା ତମେ ଏଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ର ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇପାରିବ କିଛି ଏନି ନୂଆ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଡ୍ କରିପାରିବ ଏଇ କଣ୍ଟେଷ୍ଟ ରେ?
In practical subjects, it is not very much effective.
Okay, the conducting the experiments, conducting the hands-on activities,
Experiments.
that will be not be helpful in online classes. Very good point.
Online classes.
Okay, Sasmita, just answer in one line. What is your
ସାର୍
thinking?
ଏସବୁ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଠାରୁ ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ମୋର ଏଫେକ୍ଟିଭ, କାହିଁକି ନା ଅନଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଯେଉଁ ରିସୋର୍ସ ଦରକାର, ଯେଉଁ ସମ୍ବଳ ଦରକାର, ବହୁତ ଦରିଦ୍ର ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ବାପା ମାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦବା ପାଇଁ ଆବଶ୍ୟକୀୟ ମୋବାଇଲ, ସ୍ମାର୍ଟଫୋନ କିମ୍ବା ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟର ସୁବିଧା ହଉନାହିଁ, ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରହୁଛି, ତା ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଅନଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଠାରୁ ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ମୋର ଏଫେକ୍ଟିଭ।
तो ऑनलाइन क्लास सब पिलांग द्वारा accessible है करू नहीं। वेरी गुड, तमे ही सब जगह आंसर पिला ने कहि तो सेडा को सम अप कर देले भी that will be a best answer. So thank you everyone, I have a nice interaction with you, so hopefully you will all crack in your next class. So see you in the next class. Have a good night. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.